Hi guys. So I just got back from work like 5 or 10 minutes ago, and I want to start making dinner. Let's not talk too much, but I hope you enjoy this vlog. The time is 6:20. I want to make fried rice, and I think I want to also make stew. So let me see if I'll be able to do all these things this night before I go to bed. I'm supposed to add ginger and garlic to this meat, but because I want to also make stew, I didn't add because inside the pepper mix, which is the tomatoes, the garlic, the pepper, bawa, and everything for the stew, I already added ginger and garlic. So that's why I didn't add ginger and garlic here because I didn't want it to be so much. I want to start making my stew. I'm trying to be as fast as possible because it's getting late already. There's no light yet. So I'm just using a small light from my phone and a torch to make this video. I think the most difficult thing about making fried rice is these veggies. Like cutting these veggies is the most stressful thing. This is the most stressful thing. I only use this cutter to cut the carrots because this is the smallest size for this cutter. This is the smallest size, and I like my veggies like the bell pepper, the green beans, and every other thing to be tiny. So that's why I didn't use it. I just used only this one to cut the carrots. This is the most stressful part of fried rice. Except you have veggies already at home, you're going to save yourself so much stress. But see, this vlog is chaotic. So see what I was saying, this is how I like my veggies. Like this how it's because of I'm rushing, there's no time. That's why it's even this big. If I had so much time, or if there was light and I was not rushing, I settled down, I'm going to cut it tinier than this. So that's why I don't like using that cutter to cut it. This is like the most chaotic vlog I've done. Like, I don't know, maybe because there's no light. That is why I'm so disorganized. Like a lot of things, I don't know. Or you see this food there? I don't cook this food, Pujara. Seriously. I'm almost done though. Like everywhere is just scattered. But I'll arrange everything this night. I just hope they bring the light before I'm done. Look at my face. I'm just so stressed. Like I'm trying to make this fried rice first. So I've even paused on my stew because my head is beginning to do too much. So I've paused on the stew. The stew is already fried very well. But to put other things, let me finish this fried rice first because that's what we're going to be eating this night. My husband is not even back from work yet, so and that's why I'm going for this fried rice first. Let me just calm down and do this one so that the food will come out well. I like to fry my rice so that when it comes out, it's going to be one, no gumming. So that's why I like to fry my rice. So I just added a little bit of oil in the pot and I'll be pouring the rice. I've already washed the rice, then I soaked it in hot water for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I brought it out to drain. When my oil gets hot, I'll just go in with my ginger and garlic. I'm also going to be adding seasoning cube. Also going to be adding pepper. Now just pour in my washed rice. Then let it fry. This is what it's looking like. I'm also going to be adding small turmeric powder for the color. Guys, sorry for the break in transmission. My phone became so hot. Like, you know, I'm using the flash from the phone. So it became so hot and the flash went off. So I had to let it cool down for a bit. I just used that opportunity to wash out some dishes. Then my stew is back. I'm almost done. This is my stew right here. And it's raining. I think that's why they took the light. They didn't want to bring the light today because it's raining. For a very long time now, we've been having lights. I'm not going to lie, we've been having lights. And that's why we've not even been buying fuel for the house. Yes, there's gen, but there's no fuel. That's why I didn't turn on the gen, because we've been having light and having light. So I think now is the time to start buying fuel because of the rainy season.
is coming. Rain is falling like right now, and they are not going to bring this light today. Maybe they are going to bring it middle of the night, like midnight, but I'm not sure. So I might not be able to film everything like detailed and all those stuff. But yeah, how the typical life in most Nigerian persons no Nepal lights, stuff like that. And this is already 2:09. My husband is stuck in the rain. He's not even back. He's outside though. He's parked outside, waiting for the rain to stop a bit so that he can drive in. My fried rice is almost ready. Like, so I'm taking this one out because I'm not mixing the whole rice tonight. So I'll just mix the one we are going to be eating this night. So like I said, this is the way I like my rice because I fried it. That's why it's 1-1. So I'm going to taste it now because I've not even tasted it since. It's good. It's very sweet. All my effort didn't go to waste. It tastes really nice. This today, you just a splash, eh? Calm down now.
So guys, I just finished everything that I'm doing, not quite long. This is 9:40 something, that is to 10, and I'm tired. You can see from my eyes I'm so tired, exhausted. I just want to bathe, sleep, and get ready for tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and this is like a typical day in some person's life in Nigeria. And trust me, this is not my routine. I don't do this every night. I don't even know what came over me that I decided to make fried rice. Of all nights, I decided to make fried rice tonight. I will say, okay, I made fried rice and I made stew. Then it's stressful, I'm not going to lie. I don't even like coming back from work and I have to start cooking fresh food. And that is like cooking from scratch. And that is why I always have soup, stew in the freezer so that when I come back, we'll just quickly make something like maybe swallow or just boil rice or just, something easy and quick. But this night today, I don't know what gingered me. I don't know what pushed me. But whatever it is that pushed me, I just hope it doesn't push me another time because I'm not going to try this another time. If I want to make something like this, it's going to be weekend when I know that I'm not going to work. I'll be at home, so I'll start early. But yeah, the rain is no longer falling again, and I just hope they bring the lights middle of the night because the weather is cool, but we still need light for some other things. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.